Hello, this is Linear Equations and Functions, Piecewise Functions, Example 3. And in this example, the piecewise function has a lot of pieces, 4 of them. And looking at where the domain is broken up, the x is the domain, it's broken up in this first interval 0 to 1, then the second interval right here, it's 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, and 3 to 4 for the last interval. Now f of x equaling 1, or 2, or 3, or 4, f of x equals 1 is this line right here. F of x equals 2 is this line, f of x equals 3 is this line, f of x equals 4 is this line. This is usually called the y-axis, and it is the y-axis, but when you're using function notation, we usually label that axis as the f of x axis. This is a more advanced way to describe these functions, and this function notation will be used quite often in Algebra 2, and it's used almost exclusively in higher courses like trigonometry and math analysis. I guess so. What I'm saying is you should start getting used to it. So let's see. X equals 1 for this interval. So it's this little line right here, and a closed dot over here because it's greater than or equal to 0, and an open dot here because it's less than 1. Now, if that was confusing the way I read that, this is the way you should read these. You start in the middle and go this way, and then you start in the middle and come back to the middle and go that way. This is x is greater than or equal to 0, and x is less than 1. So x is greater than or equal to 1, and at this point it's here. Closed dot there, open dot here, and a line. And that's the way this is going to go. Okay, and the book does point out that this is called a step function because it looks like steps. Okay, so that's the graph.